Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, I'm going to do something new for you guys, although I have done this before in the past. I'm going to do a mocktail for you. Since my surgery, I've not drank alcohol, but I still want something flavorful and low carb. That's the thing. So this is a keto mocktail that you could easily transition into a cocktail, and it would be perfect for 4th of July or summer. So without further ado, and it's very, very healthy. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, do that thing, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, let's talk about the ingredients. I'm gonna post a little picture here, but you can follow along with me. We're gonna make a few syrups for this mocktail. Number one is honey. This is 0 carb honey. Yep, you heard me. 0 carbs. Next is wild blueberries. You want them to be wild blueberries. They have twice as many antioxidants as regular blueberries. You will find them in the frozen food aisle. Most grocery stores have them. Blueberries are lower in carbs than a lot of fruit. Lemon. Okay. Mint, fresh mint. This came straight from my garden. God, I love the smell of mint. Then you want some type of sparkling, effervescent water or Prosecco if you're doing a regular cocktail. So I'm just using Saratoga. You could use a flavored like Waterloo or bubbly or something like that. I happen to like Saratoga. And I did grab a few blackberries for a garnish. And then of course, you guys know how much I love making my ice. So I have roses that have strawberries and mint in them because that's what I had. Let's talk about the simple syrups. Very, very easy. Honey syrup is literally honey and water. And so I use a lot of water and a little bit of honey, but you can make it as sweet as you want. Just taste it. Like just dip a spoon in, taste it, and you're like, yep, sweet enough. And then I put it in these wonderful little containers. And that way I don't have to continually make it, right? It's there. With regards to the blueberries, all we're doing is water and blueberries. There's no sugar involved in this, you guys, none. And then look at how rich this is. You put it through a sieve, smush those blueberries, and look at this syrup. Gorgeous. All right, I have a little plate, a little bit of the blueberry syrup, a little bit of the Trivia. We're gonna take my favorite glass, which is a coupe glass, and aren't these gorgeous? And I can list them, and the recipe will be listed as well. So since it's summertime and 4th of July, we're just gonna rim the glass with a little bit of sugar, and it's gonna be this pretty bluish purple color. Look how pretty that is. Okay, cocktail shaker with ice. We're going to throw some mint in, a bunch. We love mint, and it's so good for you. Tastes delicious as well. Half a lemon. I like my cocktails on the tartar side. So depending on how juicy your lemon is, or a whole half a lemon. 2 ounces of the blueberry syrup. This is so rich and thick and gorgeous. Then we're gonna take our honey simple syrup and we're gonna do 1.5 ounces. Then we're gonna do that magic thing where we shake away from the marble countertops. Sugar rimmed coupe glass, a gorgeous rose. It's just so pretty and it keeps your cocktail cool. Okay. Look at that. It's so gorgeous. Now you're just gonna do it part way because you wanna add some effervescent. And again, Prosecco is great. I have tried it with Prosecco. I made these for my girlfriend this past week. And you're just gonna top it with your favorite effervescent. Of course, we've got to garnish. Wyman's blueberries are teeny tiny. Let me show you. See how small they are? I mean, we could throw those in. Look how cute. Let's do that. And then, of course, a sprig of mint. I just think that is gorgeous. Can you imagine being served that at a restaurant? Beautiful. It's a gorgeous mocktail. Most important, how does it taste? I already know. Well, I didn't do the sugar rim. All right, let's try it. It is so good. And as you can see, you could just suck it right down. Delicious. All right, you guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, take a minute, hit that thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.